Hey guys, so back with another review, and this time it is of the Copper Chef Perfect Egg Maker, the as seen on TV version. This thing allows you to make boiled eggs, poached eggs, and omelets. I am only going to show you how to make the boiled eggs because that's pretty much all I eat. Oh, actually I do eat omelets. This is the container that it allows you to make an omelet in. It is small, but if it's just you, that works. This is the container that you make poached eggs in. I don't even eat poached eggs, so you'll likely never see that video. But anyway, 14 boiled eggs. This comes with 2 of these trays, and I will show you how to do that, so stay tuned. Okay, so the most important thing that you need to do before putting your eggs in the tray is you need to poke a hole at the bottom of the egg. So this measuring container also comes with a little pin there at the bottom. Not sure if you can see that. And the pin is used to poke the egg. Now it's important to poke the egg on the biggest booty part of the egg. So you want to poke it like that all the way through. And then you place it in the container. Now I'll show you what it looks like there, but you want to make sure that the hole is facing upward. This allows the steam to escape through the egg and the egg won't explode. So this is what it looks like if you are cooking more than 7 eggs. It allows 7 eggs on the bottom, 7 eggs on the top. It has the extender ring there, and you just put the dome on top. I'm not doing 7 or 14 eggs, so I'm just doing 3, but I wanted to show you that. And now that I have my eggs on the trays there, as you can see, the pinhole is facing up. I'm going to pour my water in at the bottom. And put the dome on top. Now I just hit this power button, and this thing will shut off by itself once the water is evaporated. So now you can go watch TV. Okay, so now that the eggs have finished cooking, take this off. And just like with any boiled eggs, they say to make it peel off a little bit easier, you just put them in a bowl of ice water for about 3 minutes or so, and you'll be able to peel the shell off easier. Peeled off nicely. Now let's cut into this egg to see if it is cooked thoroughly. There you go. Okay, so overall, I think this thing did a really good job. It cooked the egg thoroughly through and through for all of the eggs. I bought it for $19.99 on Amazon. I'm sure you could probably get it from Walmart or Bed Bath & Beyond, but I'm very pleased, and I will be sure to be eating more hard-boiled eggs.